find us again on the All 4 Mississippi Thunder channel. We got another great video coming up for you here at the Rock House Gun and Pawn. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for tuning back into All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Any previous viewers and subscribers, we surely appreciate y'all. Now, any new viewers or viewers that have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything that happens over here on All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Give us a thumbs up because we always appreciate that. Ring that bell for notifications and share this video with your friends, neighbors, and their friends, and whoever you can think to share it with. Today, we've got a great video coming for you from Rock House Gun and Pawn, and that is at 5430 Highway 19 North, Meridian, Mississippi 39307. Phone number is 601-485-5895, and I will put that number in the video several times for you to see that. And they are a fully licensed FFL dealer following all federal, state, and local laws. I'm not selling any firearms in this video, but if you see something that you like, feel free to call the Rock House Gun and Pawn or stop by if you're local. If you call, they'll get you set up to send to your local FFL. But make sure, and also if you anything else you think of that you think they might have that you don't see in the video, go ahead and stop by and give them a call. But tell them that R4 Mississippi Thunder sent you. Okay, today we've got a very awesome video for you. Now, you know, here at R4 Mississippi Thunder, we believe in getting the younger ones, you know, into firearms safely, of course, and using all, you know, the main rules of firearm safety and being very supervised and everything. But saying that, we've got a few rifles here today that we're going to talk about. We have the Savage Rascals. We have two examples of those. And then we have the Keystone Arms Cricket. And we have two of those. Now, I brought these out today just to give you a little comparison of contrast of the two different types and what you can get and what is offered with the two different types. And these are, you know, youth size, you know, length of pull, youth size stocks for the children. Even these crickets here say "My First Rifle" on the side of them. All right, so as we talk about these two, I'll pick this one up now. I've seen some reviewers that prefer the Rascal over the Cricket, and there's a few reasons why. The biggest reason is how the hammer sets to set the, you know, once you chamber around, and you have to set the hammer by pulling it back. Okay, now we're gonna let that hammer go. Okay, well that's just a little bit different than any other firearms, and when you're trying to teach safety and basics, mechanics of shooting, it's easier to have something that transitions more into a adult style or adult size rifles. Now they do offer the Cricket in 22 short and 22 Magnum. But the 22 long rifle and 22 Magnum. Now the 22 long rifles will shoot short, long, and long rifle. I don't know if you can see that on the barrel, but it says right there on top of the barrel, 22 short, long, and long rifle.
I don't think you can see it. It won't focus.
Let's see. Right there. Let's see if we can bring it
Oh,
on.
okay, there it comes. Cricket 22. Okay, there it goes.
All right, so we got that. Now, these particular models and the ones I have here are both chambered in the 22 long rifle variant. Like I said, they do make a 22 Magnum version. Now, the action is a manual cocking single shot with a feed ramp. Now, the first generation Crickets don't have the feed ramp, and you can tell these are the Gen 2 models because they have the feed ramp and they also have the swivel studs. So you can tell these are Gen 2 models. Like I said, manual cocking action, where you cock it back, pull that back to cock it. Let's see, it says it has a 2.5 to 3 pound trigger pull approximately, they say. Safety, it has a rebounding firing pin automatically blocked to prevent accidental discharge. Okay, length of pull is 11.5 inches. The sights are adjustable on the rear for windage with a fixed front sight. The barrel is, overall length of the barrel is 16.125 inches. And, the top of the receiver is drilled and tapped right there for a Cricket branded scope mount. You can get these in blued finish or stainless. Both of these examples are in blued. You can get it synthetic stocks, which these are. This is a black synthetic and a pink synthetic. They offer that in multiple colors. You can get it in walnut stock or a laminate stock. And they weigh about 3 pounds and they have a lifetime warranty. And again, like I said, the 22 mags don't, but you can tell these are the second generations from the feed ramp and the sling swivels. Whew, that was a mouthful. Okay. There is a look at them. Like I said, let me go ahead and show you. Like I said, it's empty. It's a single shot. You know, you just drop the 22 bullet in there, and the feed ramp guides it up. So it is empty. You cock the hammer right there, and we're going to show you a trigger pull on it. Okay, it's not a bad. Not a bad trigger for a youngster. Okay. So, now, let's move over here to the Rascal. Both of these are Savage Rascals. And I'll go ahead and I have some of this information in my research, but I'll go ahead and show you this sticker right here. It says unload without pulling the trigger, world's safest, most accurate micro rifle. Adjustable trigger, easy load and feed ramp, cocks by lifting the bolt, and precision peep sights. Right, the barrel on this again is 16.125 inches, and it comes in the blued carbon steel. They are chambered in 22 long rifle. And right here on the barrel again, it says Savage 22 short, long, and long rifle. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Let's see if that'll focus in on that. Okay.
It did.
1 in 16 twist rate, overall length of 30.625 inches. Comes with a synthetic stock, a laminate stock, or they're offered with synthetic stock, laminate stocks, or in multiple colors and patterns, and it weighs 2.71 pounds, so a little bit lighter than the Cricket, according to the weights on the internet there. Safe, accurate, easy to use, has a manual safety, so it has a manual safety, so that's something over the Cricket there. It unloads without pulling the trigger. You can unload it. Now, has adjustable peep sights on the rear here. And it is adjustable there, and you have a fixed front sight. It appears that you can adjust windage and elevation, if I'm not mistaken, on that. It does have the feed ramp. It comes standard. That red feed ramp there. Okay, just to clarify, the sights are adjustable for elevation. By turning this, you can see that moves up and down. And they are adjustable for windage by turning that, and see it slides back and forth. So they are fully adjustable. Okay. The main reason I've heard other reviewers like the Savage Rascal, or prefer the Savage Rascal over the Cricket, is it cocks by operating the bolt. So when you pull that bolt back, it is cocked, okay? There's no other action that you have to do, and that's like your typical Mauser style action or bolt action, any bolt action rifle cocks when you manipulate the hammer. So that's a big upswing for them, according to most folks. So you can make your own decisions on that. It does have the adjustable AccuTrigger, and like I said, we talked about the feed ramp. They have a few different variants. That's why I got these out here. This is going to be your standard variant. It has just a little composite stock. The barrel is not threaded, and it has, let's see, okay, went over that. Now, so this is your base model, composite stock, non-threaded barrel. They make another version that actually has a Picatinny rail, and then you have this version here that is it's drilled and tapped. The standard version is drilled and tapped as well, but this is drilled and tapped, and it's going to have a threaded barrel, thread protector there. So if you want your little ones to be, even quieter with their practicing, or a lot of times people will use a suppressor on when they're teaching young ones just to not scare them from the report. It has a 11, well, okay, yeah, the target model comes with comes with a scope, a bipod, and these all have the sling swivels. Well, there you go on these two little firearms. Both of them, like I said, are single shot. Well, actually, let's go ahead and test the trigger. You can see it's a single shot. There is no magazine. You drop the 22 in there. The feed ramp pushes it on up. So we're going to test that AccuTrigger. And if you're familiar with the AccuTrigger, it's exactly the same as your other Savage rifles, the way it operates. We got to see. We got to take it off of safety. It's double safe there. Okay, that's a nice little trigger for a youth rifle. Can't hardly beat that. Okay. One more thing. These are available in hardwood or synthetic, this laminate stock as well, in a multitude of colors and patterns. Hope you enjoyed this type video. We definitely want you to come back and see us on all 4 Mississippi Thunder. And remember, if I have learned to be content in every circumstance, that comes from Philippians 4:11. God bless you, and God bless America.